welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. I am well. Yeah, I know I look so happy, but I have had a very rough couple of days adulting, but I'm well. I thank the Lord. Yeah, so today I just wanted to make it easy and chill and comfortable and cozy. So I'm not here for anything serious, but I have a DIY to show you at the end of this video. So if you want to see that DIY, stick around. So yeah, so I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope we are all keeping safe with everything going on. I hope we are well mentally, because this period is really trying for most of us, but then you know, we keep the hope alive. Okay, yeah, so I have been okay. It's been, you know, quite trying with work, but I am slowly working on that. So yeah, so over the weekend I went home and I was so happy. If you know me, you know my family is my most important thing in life, other than maybe myself. I love those people to death, and at least I got 2 days to spend with them. I had a lot of fun. We made chapatis. I had fun with the kids. You know, I spent time with my mom and dad and my little sister. It was an amazing time. I would love to show you that here, but I didn't shoot anything. I didn't film anything. So yeah, so I had a very good weekend, and so yeah, I came back to my place on Monday and just been chilling. Haven't done much, so and that's why there's clearly nothing to show today, but I decided I wanted to share this DIY that I learned a few days ago. Guys, you know, I am a creative girl, and I thought of mixing a few things to make a DIY air freshener. Can you believe it? A DIY air freshener. Before I go ahead and talk about my DIY air freshener, please subscribe to my channel. I will wait. I'm waiting. Have you subscribed? How many more minutes? Thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please turn on the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I'll go ahead and talk about my DIY air freshener. It's the most affordable air freshener you will get, because you use items that you can find in your nearest store, and I really loved it. I had things about it way before, but I didn't try it, and I did my little twist to it, so it's kind of special to me. So yeah, so what you need is, one, you need embarrassment. You need a spray bottle. So I bought this spray bottle at a store nearby, but you can find it in any supermarket, any hair drug store kind of supermarket. Yeah, so it looks brown because it had the air freshener in it, but yeah, so this is what you need to start. So a spray bottle of any kind. You can even use the ones from your cleaners if you have empty ones. Yeah, as long as it has this nozzle to spray, you're good to go. So a spray bottle. You also need some water. So I'm just using half a cup, water cup. Yeah, half a cup of water, because I don't want to make a lot of it. You also need bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. Yeah, and this is not baking powder for those that confuse the two. This is bicarbonate of soda, and it's known to be a very good stain remover and a very good deodorant. So that is why I am going to add it into my DIY air freshener. It's going to stay fresh. It's going to help the freshener stay fresh for longer. Yeah, that's what it does. So I use bicarbonate of soda in so many ways, and I'll show you how in my upcoming videos, but this is one of the ways that I use it for cooking, for cleaning, and many other ways for my teeth and everything. So yeah, so next ingredient, bicarbonate of soda, and our magic ingredients. Drum rolls. Downy. I'm using the Downy perfume collection, the one in this bottle, the brown one. I haven't tried the pink and the blue, but I believe they are also nice. So I tried with this and I really love it. So if you like vanilla kind of flowery scents, this is the one to go for. So we'll go ahead and mix, okay? Yup. So in our spray bottle, we're going to add water. So I have to be careful because I am sitting in my living room and I do not want to spill this water. So that is it. I'm also going to need my bicarb or my bicarbonate of soda, and I need a scooping spoon. 1 minute. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is a measuring spoon. I think it's half a tablespoon, and I'm using the smallest I have so that it can, you know, go past here. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and add 2 of this, so about a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. So 1, another one. Okay, I'm just eyeballing these things, they don't have to be perfect. Yeah, I've added 2 of that. Then I'll go ahead and add my Downy. So I'll just add about half a cup of this. It's quite big, so I'll just do a half. That's a lot. Yeah, this is a half. So I'll add this here. Oh, I think it's a lot. Oh, that's enough. So we are done with that. So I'll then close this nicely and shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So at first it looks white, and it will be white for, you know, the first day. Then tomorrow and, you know, going on, it's going to start turning yellowish, and then by the time you're done spraying all of it, it will have turned brown. So it's important to note that even if the color changes, it's not going to change the smell. The smell is still going to be very fresh and very powerful. So you only need a very little pump of this to keep your room fresh. So I spray this in the morning when I wake up, and my house smells fresh the whole entire day. I don't have to spray it again. And yeah, so it's nice for the toilet, for the living room, for the kitchen, everywhere. And I believe it's, you know, kind of safe to use even around pets and kids, other than, you know, rather than using the other air fresheners that we have in the market. So yeah, so try this and let me know how it smells, because I have tried it and I love it. I love it. Let me know if you love it, and if you try with the other Downies in the market, you can now tell me if they, you know, if they work as well and if you love the scent. Personally, I love this one because it's rich and it has a very subtle scent. Yeah, so this is all I wanted to show you guys. I have made my DIY air freshener. These guys, you see this half bottle of mine will last a week or so, because I only need to spritz just a bit, just a very small bit, and that's it. So yeah, so I hope I have helped someone, and I hope that you will love your DIY air freshener. Let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about such DIYs. I have a DIY cleaning solution coming up soon, and you will definitely love it. Yeah, so that's all I had to share today. I really appreciate you guys supporting me and always coming back to watch my videos, and always subscribing, and for those that share what they try and what I show you guys. I am happy that you love the results and that you love trying out, especially the recipes. Yeah, so you guys keep me going, and you encourage me to produce even more and to work harder. Yeah, let's grow this channel, guys. We are currently at 540 plus subscribers, and my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you would like to support my goal, please consider subscribing, share with your friends, and let's grow together. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what you would love to see. I am kind of sharing everything that I want to share at this point, and you guys could help me decide on the things that we should capitalize on. So currently we are still doing the recipes, we are doing a bit of DIYs here and there, we're doing just general life content. So let me know what you love the most, and we will go on that route. Okay, so yeah, so thank you guys. Let me keep my house fresh, and I hope you keep yours too, and I will see you next time.